Standard 6, Subject General Science, Chapter 5, Substances in the Surroundings, Their States and Properties. Today we learn the point metals. Substances like copper, gold, iron, aluminium are called metals. Metals are found in the form of minerals deep inside the earth. Minerals from the earth crust are processed to obtain the metals. In daily life, metals have various important uses. Let us study some common properties of metals. First property of metal, that is malleability. Take a piece of copper or aluminum wire or a small nail. Hammer it repeatedly. What do you observe? On hammering repeatedly, the wire becomes flat. That is, it forms a thin sheet. Metals can be converted into sheets by hammering. This property of metals is called malleability. Look at this picture. Second property of the metal, that is ductility. Hot iron is hammered and made into thin sheets. Visit a blacksmith shop to observe how this hammering causes it to stretch. Iron bars made to resolve continuously while being hammered become longer. The iron can be drawn into wire. Metals can be stretched and drawn into wires. This property of metal is called ductility. Metals like silver, gold, copper, platinum can be drawn into fine wires. Next property of metal, that is electrical conductivity. Electricity flows through metals. All metals are conductors of electricity to a greater to lesser extent. This property is called electrical conductivity. Even when a piece of metal is heated at one place, the whole of it becomes hot. It shows that metals allow heat to flow through them. This property is called thermal conductivity. Metals have a typical shine or luster. Every metal has a characteristic color by which it can be identified. Students, try this activity. Pluck the string of a musical instruments like a tanpura or veena, ring a bell, or hit a steel box with a metal spoon. Strike a wooden table or a marble floor with a wooden stick. Note the difference in the sounds produced in the two cases. Metals produce a ringing sound. This property is called the sonority of metals. Student, always remember, during the rainy season or at any other time, do not touch the exposed electrical wires or metal parts. Keep all electric lamps or other appliances switched off when not in use. For example, even when the TV is switched off by a remote control, do not forget to put off the main switch. It helps to save electricity besides protecting us from any possible danger. Ask your seniors at home to check the electric wiring and fittings in the house periodically. What we learn in this lesson? First, solid, liquids and gases are the three states of a substance. Second, the temperature of a substance can be measured with the help of a thermometer. Third, heat is the cause of the change of state of substances. Fourth, substances have various properties like hardness, elasticity, brittleness, fluidity, density, solubility, and transparency. Next, metal form a separate group of substances. Metals have some common properties like malleability, ductility, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, sonority, luster, characteristic color. Thank you.